Bang, we made over a little over 14 grand this month in the month of June 2025, which is the worst month it could have possibly been for day trading. Why? Because Iran and Trump and the juice, like orange juice, they're going boom, 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 boom. Don't mind the mess in the back, moving, moving some stuff around. Don't mind these guns. I'm about to hit the gym. I have not lost a single day in this entire month of trading. Call me a liar, call me what you want. The proof is in the pudding with all of my playlists and recordings with my premium students. And well, what is there more to say besides absolute W? Let's break down today's trade. So first things first, I had went over this in the pre-market analysis video where I had spoken about wanting to see a reversal off of 2 points specifically. Oh, you know what? Before we get into that, we're at all-time highs, okay? We are all at all-time highs, at least on Nasdaq. On ES, we're not. We're SMT. SMT for shorts, okay? But that's irrelevant. The point is that today I said in the pre-market that I did want to see one of two things. I'll even pull out the path tool to show you. This is exactly what I drew out. Okay, I said I want a price to reverse off of day open. Let's just get rid of ES here. We don't really need that. We wanted ES to reverse off of, sorry, NQ to reverse off of day open and take profit at 8:30 open or off of Asia low. But so I'll kind of, I'm sorry, I keep coughing. Lots of stress, lots of stuff in my mind. Let's just get to it. Let's break down this trade. Okay, so first things first, we are obviously in a very, very, very bullish uptrend. I was very interested in longs for today. There's no point of absolutely shorting. I was looking at all the Instagram stories. Everyone was going long. So first things first, we had accumulated during London session. What does that tell us? That we're going to have a manipulation move upon a liquidity sweep, which is exactly what we had before the market opened. Tapped into that range that I had marked out and talked to my equity students about this range. And I didn't get my day open sweep, but we did get a liquidity sweep along with an SMT, which heavily, and it was pretty close anyway. My conviction was almost there. It's obviously never going to be perfect because nobody is perfect. But what I will say is that that liquidity sweep along with the SMT, the midnight open tap, as well as this 1 hour order block being rejected off of, with the trend and the London sweep alongside this being our manipulation move towards the downside to continue moving up, it's telling me everything I need on the external bias for us to continue going higher. So what did I do? I scaled down to the 1 minute time frame with my students and I looked for an entry. We did have an extreme rejection off of the I'm gonna actually get rid of this for a second. We did have an extreme rejection off of the range I was talking about there. And I was specifically looking for a move at 934, and I'm not gonna say why here, but it didn't give it to us during then. I could have taken my entry on this rejection of this fair value gap. However, I waited, and I waited for a good reason. Here we had a large rejection off of this 1 minute order block, liquidity sweep order block, but I still didn't take the trade. Why? I wanted to wait for our macro. Our macro opened up, took a nice secure trade on this bullish candle closure. Sorry, I want to take the trade off of this bullish candle closure, off of this rejection to continuation to keep going higher off of the 1 minute order block, but we weren't in the macro. So I took the trade on the same level with this candle wick right here. Let me actually just turn on my executions just to show you guys. There you go. Beautiful. And I set my stops under these previous lows and set my take profit at a 30 open. Now, we had ended off this month very green. In fact, we have not taken a single loss. And I'm not one of those fucking traders where I break even trades. No, if I were to break even trades, it'd be after take partials, right? I don't just break even trades for no reason. I think that's pretty stupid. Like when you're taking a trade, you should either make money or lose money. It's break even. Take a partial, man. Anyways, the reason that I did take my profits at 8:30 open is because this is what I said I wanted to happen before. the market opened, and that's exactly what did happen. It played out exactly to how I wanted it to play out. Granted, we could have taken it all the way up to buy side liquidity, right? But you got to think about this, dude. We're had all-time highs and we had news at 10. For all you could have known, this could have gone the other way. I took my safe and secure profits, and that's how I make money in these markets. I don't need to risk like an idiot. I can be secure, safe, and say, you know what? I'm making money and I'm happy with that. And that's exactly what happened today. So that is going to be the June recap, making over around $14,000 as a college dropout.